here. I know that I have not done an EarFleek video in a while. Between work and volunteering with the Phoenix Ghostbusters, you should check them out, they're awesome, and holidays and all this stuff going on, I have been letting them pile up. So I have, what, 5 months of EarFleek earrings here. And I had them in order, but my cat, my little Miss Juliet, decided to knock over the pile and play in them. So I have no idea how they are and what month is what. So we're just gonna open all of them, which has been killing me. 5 months of EarFleek, of earrings that I could be wearing that I have not, that I've been holding on to until I've been able to do a video. So, but this will help out people that are interested in EarFleek and they can just see all 5 months at once. Now there are, if you don't know what EarFleek is, there's 3 choices. It's an earring subscription service. And there are 3 choices of styles of earrings for you to get. It's $3.49 a pair, but you can go online, if you haven't subscribed yet, you can go online and find discount codes to get your first month half off. So it's like $1.75 for a pair. So it's really awesome, totally worth it. Awesome earrings. I'm wearing a pair right now that I got a while ago. I started with just one and then kept seeing ones that I really liked in the other styles, so I went with all 3. So get online, check them out. Super cheap, super good. Some of them can be a little weird and not my style, but you know what? They can be gifts. So, all right, you ready for 5 months of EarFleek? All right, so let's start here. You always get a card with it. It always says the same thing. I'll show you the first one, but all of the cards say exactly the same thing, and it's, hey girl, I picked these out just for you, yay! So you'll always get this card. They come in nice bubble wrapped packages, which sometimes I can open, sometimes I can't, like right now. All right, first pair. They are interesting. These would be fun. So I believe, if I can remember right, without looking it up, the 3 styles are Boho Babe, Silly and Fun, and there's a third one that I cannot remember right now, but if I do, I will tell you. I'm thinking these go into the Silly and Fun. They are little pineapples. So there is little pineapples. All right, next one. And sometimes they come in blue envelopes, sometimes pink envelopes. I don't know what that means, if it means anything. All right, card, and I'm guessing these are boho. These are, I mean, they could, no, I think they're boho. They're not Silly and Fun, they're boho. These are kind of cool. They're like fabric. If I can get them not tangled. They're little fabric. I mean, they're pretty. They're cool. Actually, I don't mind these. I like these a lot. I like the colors. All right. Next one. I even tried to look at the envelopes to see if there's a postmark on it so I could organize them by month, and no postmark. So, not that. And pull it out of the bubble wrap. Oh, these are simple, elegant, and a lot of times for like studs and little ones, they'll have this tube in here so they don't get damaged in shipping, which is awesome, so it holds them together. So these are little pearls with a little jewel on top. Those are really pretty. Those are simple. I like simple elegance. You could actually dress those up. And next. All right. So many of these cards. I am not good with taking things out of bubble wrap, but I am good at popping the bubble wrap afterwards. All right. These are kind of like the other ones, a little more simple. They're little, they look like little tires. Honestly, they're like a velour. They're soft, gold. Those are pretty though, but they look like little tires. One thing, if you've seen any of my other EarFleek videos, I'm not a fan of gold. So, like, these are gold. It's not a lot of gold, so it's okay. But I'm not a gold fan. All right, next. Getting a pile of cards over here that Juliet is playing in. All right. All right, silver. Yay, silver. All right. These are, ooh, I like these a lot. They're dangly, if I can get them untwisted. If you can hear Juliet in the background, she's tearing apart my house. All right, so it's like a little triangle, little dangly triangle, little jewel on top. Those are pretty. I like these a lot. I really like these. I'll wear those a lot. Silver, yay. All right, next. All these earrings that I have been missing out on for the past 5 months. And bubble wrap. All right, these are gold, but they're not too much. I can get them out of their little plastic bag, and I love these bags that they come in because I can use them for like so many little things and to store them and keep them nice. So these are actually super cute, even though they're gold. They're almost like could be like a little rose gold. It's like a little bow, a little heart swinging out underneath it, or it could be a lock, I don't know. But it's super cute, super simple. I really like these. I really like these. All right, next. Great. Card. Bubble wrap. I'm trying to go quick so this video isn't like 1,000 minutes long. Oh, these are silver again. Yay. I like silver. All right. Ah, I dropped one. Fell out of its little tube. Or it broke. No. I will have to contact EarFleek because I really like these. So, unfortunately, it like broke directly off the stem. You can see that. All right, and I really, really like these, so I'm definitely contacting EarFleek. EarFleek, if you're watching this video, please send me a replacement pair for these. I unfortunately don't know what month they are, but I really, really like these. Here's the other half that broke off. I don't even know. Like, you can't even feel where it, oh, there it is. It was soldered there. Okay, EarFleek, I need another pair of these because they broke in the package. All right, we're putting these to the side. All right, next. Oh, silver, yay. All right. These are super cute too. They're like little, you can see them, they're just like little swirlies, a little jewel on top, little swirlies. I like those too, definitely wearing those. I like those. I'm still sad about the other pair. All right, next. Remember, 5 months of EarFleek. Pile of cards is getting big over here. Bubble wrap. These are interesting. And these are a little different. Juliet's going crazy over there over something. All right. I mean, I like them, but they're different. They're like little blades, little jewel hanging in there. It's gold in color. Not too much gold, so it's okay. Those are pretty. Those are different. Those are super different. All right. Next. I can't open this one. Alright. Sometimes the glue is super sticky. Guard. These are heavy. These are heavy. They're pretty, but they're too gold. And they're slightly heavy. But they're pretty. I mean, I don't really wear a lot of outfits. I mean, simple, like, hoops. Very, very elegant. But like I said, still kind of golden color. Yeah, golden color. Probably won't wear these. Too much gold. But they're pretty. Gift. Alright, next. Envelope. Card. Bubble wrap. Oh, these are interesting. Oh, Juliet. Alright, Juliet. She may play with these. You want these? These are kind of cool. They're like little tassels. A little much for me. But hey, if I'm going out to the casino or something. Right? Yeah! Alright. Next. We're getting down. We're getting down the wire here. Card. Bubble wrap. Alright, I like these. They're silver. I dropped one. But this one broke too! What in the world, EarFleek? This one I think I can repair though. Yeah, I can just twist it. So it didn't like break off the soldering or anything. Alright, I basically just fixed it. I don't know. And like one is tarnished really bad. And one isn't. So, not tarnished one that fell off. Tarnished one that didn't fall off. I don't know. I might have to contact EarFleek about these too. EarFleek's awesome to contact too. They'll always write back to you and help you out if you have any issues. I like these though. So, another one I'm definitely contacting EarFleek about because it's kind of weird. All right. 3 left. All right. Envelope. Card. Okay, I can't get this bubble wrap. Oh, there we go. Oh. Flew out of the bubble wrap. Okay, these are different. Gold. A little more simple gold. These are interesting. I don't like the gold ball at the top, but the bottom of it's pretty. I wonder if I can do something. Get rid of that gold ball. And color it. I don't know. Those are actually kind of cool. Little wooden disc inside. Alright. 2 left. Envelope. Card. Bubble wrap. I don't even know what these are supposed to be. It's like, I don't know. I don't know what that is. Bamboo? You guys tell me. What do you think that is? It's like bamboo or something. I can't even get it to focus. Focus. I don't know. If you guys got these, if you're watching and you got these, tell me what they are. They look like little bamboo with leaves coming out the side. I don't know what this is. All right. Last one. I can get it open. I can do it. Ah, there we go. Envelope. Card. Bubble wrap. Okay, I like these. So I hope they don't break when I take them out of the envelope. All I'm doing, EarFleek, is just pouring it into my hand. Those are cute. They're like little bows with a little fake pearl at the end. Those are super cute. I like these a lot. I'm glad they didn't break. Yay! Didn't break. All right, so I don't even know how to show you guys all of these earrings that I just got. I'll figure out a way. Well, we'll display them somehow. Hold on. Okay, so look, I used the card. I'm smart. 5 months of EarFleek earrings. These are all the designs. So, you have this weird feather looking thing that I like. The giant gold hoops, not gonna wear. Tassel, little wooden thing, probably not gonna wear. The velvet car tire, probably not gonna wear. I like this one, except for the giant gold ball at the top. So I'm gonna figure out something with that. I like this little triangle with the little jewel. I like this little swirly. Like I said, I don't know if that's bamboo or what it is. But it probably goes with the pineapple. The little pearl I like. I love the little bow. And I love that little bow. And then, of course, you have, and I didn't put them on here, my sad, broken ones. Come on, EarFleek. Send me new ones. And then the weird, like, completely tarnished. And then silver. So, I'm going to ask them about that, too. But here are 5 months of EarFleek earrings. Like I said, is it $3.49 a pair? Not a bad deal. Different styles. You always get different kinds. You're not going to like every single one. It's obvious. But, I mean, I think it's worth it. I've been doing it for a while now. I've been doing it a little over a year now, obviously. At least 5 months. But longer than that. So, I'm going to keep doing it because usually I tend to like more than I don't like, so that's always a good thing. And $3.49 a pair. Seriously, people. $3.49 a pair. It's worth it. And, like I said, sad, really pretty earrings. I really like those. They're really good. Their customer service is really good. So, if you have any questions, any comments, please leave me a message. Leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Juliet is over there playing. Say hi to Juliet. You didn't really get to see her this video, but that's okay. You'll see her in a lot of my other videos. If you guys have any other ideas of things that you want to see me review and look at and tell you what I don't like and what I like, let me know. Don't forget to check out my Facebook page. I'll put a link to that under this video. And I will see you next time. Bye.